In celebration of Labor Day on May 1st, the Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, is set to open doors of opportunity for thousands of Filipinos, offering more than 200,000 job vacancies both local and abroad. From manufacturing and retail to BPO, food services, and the financial and insurance sectors. PTV correspondent Bien Manalo has the details.
The Department of Labor and Employment is all set for the celebration of Labor Day on May 1. The DOLE will open more than 200,000 jobs. This includes more than 100,000 local vacancies and over 30,000 jobs abroad. These jobs, among others, are from the sectors of manufacturing, retail, BPO, food and service activities, plus financial or insurance industries. According to the Labor Department, the job fair will be held in nearly 70 sites throughout the Philippines. Most of the opportunities will be in Metro Manila, with over 60,000 job offers up for grabs. More than 2,000 employers will join in the jobs fair.
Gusto ho naming mahigitan din yung number ng mga vacancies nung nakaraang taon, no? At yung nga, nadadagdagan na siguro 3 araw pa bago mag-Labor Day, mas dadami pa po yung available na vacancies.
The agency also encourages first-time job seekers to obtain certification from their barangay as proof of their first-time job hunting status so they can avail of the agency's free services. They will also conduct employment counseling as part of their career development support program. They also give advice to applicants on how to ace the job interview.
Matulog ng maaga bago po magkaroon ng jobs fair. Bago pumunta sa jobs fair, tiyakin na medyo maayos ang kasuotan. Yung pong pagka ikaw ay tinignan, medyo makumbinsi mo kagad yung representante ng employer. Dapat wag tayong nervyusin at kabahan. Kasi kung naniniwala po tayo na tayo ay may katangian o kakayahan na makakuha ng trabaho, dapat ready tayo.
Applicants are advised to visit the official website and social media page of PESO and DOLE regional and field offices in their areas for details and the list of job fair venues. They are also reminded to bring water and wear comfortable clothes to avoid the stress that the high or intense heat brings. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.